We are in Lacanau, at the Hameau des Balgueries, in the middle of the pine forest and the golf course. We bought a house with a magnificent piece of land. It was a small wooden house that wasn't very pretty and not functional. After a few weeks of reflection, we decided to completely demolish the house and build another one. We found the KONTIO houses on the internet, and it's true that it was a real crush. By the wooden frame, the color, the different photos that were there, we really appreciated it. We initially hired an architect. The architect was really there to redesign the house. And when we discovered KONTIO, it turned out that there were already ready-made houses, but we really wanted to continue working with our architect. So they worked together, the KONTIO houses and the architect, to truly create the house of our dreams. Large bay windows that open onto the garden, which is truly magnificent, to create different spaces. And so my mother took care of managing the plans with the architect and the houses, KONTIO, and I handled the decoration part. We really feel very good in this house. It is very pleasant. In winter it's mild, in summer it's cool, if we close the windows, of course. It's really, as soon as we arrive in this house, we are in a cocoon, a haven of peace. Truly, we do not regret our choice of taking the KONTIO houses because they really match our expectations. And everything was put in place by Mrs. Monsma to have a truly ideal house, both for winter and summer.